But first you have to do Laura.
But how do you do it together?
Well, show you whistling and then show him whistling, and he'll go like this, and then we'll whistle while he's whistling. Or you can whistle.
Hear him? He's whistling.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. What's that?
Oh, God. Sarah, you have to go home. Your mother's dead.
Tommy, I'm not very good at waking people up.
Well,
You do it very easily.
well, yeah.
I feel like there's a fire in the house.
There is. There's fire. Fire.
Yeah, where the baby
You
is.
have to get
Yeah.
up.
I am.
No, you're not.
I'm not going to stay here all night.
No, but she wants you home with me.
Button? Button?
Don't him so close. Look at you.
What? Mark it with the bee and put it in the oven for the baby and me. Well, don't get mad at me.
Grandma, what happened?
No touch. No touch. No. No touch. No. You don't touch. No. No. It's no. Jace. Jace. Jace.